A man accused of kidnapping a girl in Fort Worth pleaded not guilty and asked for a new attorney. Now, today's move comes just days after Michael Webb signed legal documents stating he would be pleading guilty and then changed his mind. Our Lawrence Akalik has the latest from the federal courthouse.
51-year-old Michael Webb sat in a federal courtroom Monday shackled with his eyes cast to the ground. He was there to be arraigned in the kidnapping of an 8-year-old girl in Fort Worth. He had already signed this document called a factual resume, which listed out the details of his alleged crime. By signing the document, it showed he agreed to the facts and planned to plead guilty to the offense. But last week, before pleading, he changed his mind. And Monday, after being indicted, he made his official plea: not guilty.
It's extremely rare in the federal system to see a person sign a factual resume admitting all the elements of the offense and then turn around to plead not guilty.
Benson Varghese is a federal criminal defense attorney. He's not connected to this case, but he's been in court for some of the settings.
So something's going on in his mind that's caused him to change. It is very unusual to see this after a factual resume has been filed.
Varghese even says it could impact Webb's potential punishment. Then, after pleading not guilty Monday, Webb asked the judge if he could get a new court-appointed attorney. This is his current public defender. Varghese says it's unlikely.
When you get a court-appointed attorney, you don't get to pick your attorney. So unless there's an actual conflict that the court recognizes, they're not going to let Mr. Webb dictate the terms of the trial he gets or the representation he receives.
Webb is accused of snatching a little girl from her mother's grasp as they took an evening walk in Fort Worth last month. She was rescued hours later in a hotel room. The U.S. Attorney's Office wanted to spare the family the pain of a trial, but say they'll do whatever it takes to bring this man to justice. Trial is now set for July 29th. In Fort Worth, I'm Lawrence Akalik.